A cryptocurrency exchange is a website where you can buy, sell or exchange digital currencies. You have the option of trading between different crypto coins or for traditional fiat money like US dollars. Everyone trades together regardless of their experience. As mentioned earlier, there are online sites that connect buyers and sellers. This type of exchange is like a traditional stock exchange. Traders make transactions based on the current cryptocurrency market price. The exchange acts as the intermediary and charges a fee for every transaction. Some exchanges allow you to convert your regular fiat money into cryptocurrency, eliminating the need to go elsewhere to buy your initial coins. Direct trading platforms allow someone to trade directly with another person. These platforms still charge a fee for each transaction, but the major difference here is that the sellers set their own exchange rate and don't use a fixed market price. The websites of cryptocurrency brokers allow anyone to buy and sell cryptocurrencies at the price set by the broker. Usually this is the market price plus a small premium, very similar to the third-party currency exchange brokers at airports. Some exchanges will limit what you can do on their platform. Depending on where you are in relation to them, you may have partial use of the exchange or full use. This information is easily found out, so should be checked first to narrow down your list of possible options. There is a lot of information online about exchanges, so be careful where you get yours. Try and get information from multiple sources so that you can compare. For example, from industry websites, review sites, news and from individual users. Make sure to look at the most recent data that you can find, as the industry is changing so rapidly. The exchange rates between exchanges can vary a lot, so look at this early in your research. Fees can be very different between exchanges, so don't assume that there is a standard. If the fee information about deposits, transactions and withdrawals isn't clearly outlined, then don't pick that exchange. Make sure that you fully understand what you are reading, and there is no need to rush. Just take your time and research your options thoroughly. The popular exchanges will offer most payment options, like credit card, debit card, wire transfer or PayPal. An exchange may or may not work for you if there are fewer options. And remember the drawbacks of each payment method that we covered earlier in the chapter. Privacy is a big issue for some traders, who may prefer to remain completely anonymous. Many trading platforms require ID verification. But keep in mind that verifying the identities of traders does significantly decrease the likelihood of illegal activity on the exchanges. Coinbase is an all-in-one cryptocurrency wallet exchange broker hybrid service that makes it easy to securely buy, use, store and trade digital currency. It is considered to be one of the most popular and best known exchanges in the world. Coinbase traders can purchase bitcoins, ether and now litecoins through a digital wallet. For more advanced users, Coinbase has now introduced another product called GDAX, which is an exchange for more advanced users wanting to trade in these three currencies. Coinbase has a really good reputation. It provides high level of security, reasonable fees, it is very beginner friendly. They have a mobile app. You can purchase coins with a credit card or bank wire, and stored currency is covered by Coinbase insurance. They do, however, provide limited customer support. have limited payment methods, and are limited in the number of countries that they support. Finally, in this chapter, we will have a look at Kraken. This is a US-based exchange and trading platform which also operates in Europe. One main drawback is that you can only use bank transfers to purchase bitcoins. The platform, however, does allow you to trade from bitcoins to other popular fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. Kraken is considered a better option for those who are more experienced and more comfortable trading. Kraken has a good reputation, decent exchange rates, low transaction fees, minimal deposit fees, great user support, is secure, supported worldwide, and in general follows regulatory guidelines. However, they only offer limited payment methods, are not suitable for beginners, have a pretty unintuitive user interface, and they can't operate in every state in America. If you live in a state or a country with particularly strict cryptocurrency rules, then Coinbase might not be the best option for you.